Nigeria Army explain how they are capturing Igbo youth in the name of Operation Udoka. Hello, my wonderful people. You are welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Hello, my people. No be smart, you know. They say Kasala don boss, and they say Yawadan gas. I see they happen. Now they bring and they come for you. No be smart, you know. If you are a youth for Igbo land, you need to watch this video and you need to share this video. You get wetin I want talk for this video. At least this thing go be the best thing wey you ever hear for Balabas Gist. Share this video to your friends, to your brothers, to anyone you know, because I want to use this thing to tell you some things that's going on in Southeast right now you don't know. Okay, my people, you remember say inside last 2 months, I think Nigeria Army they come outside to say they want begin some pressures for different states for Nigeria. Forget all those places where they call the main target for this operation now before Southeast, which is Operation Udoka. And this Operation Udoka is highly targeted at Igbo youth. So if they are looking for unknown gunmen, they know where they will see unknown gunmen. If they are looking for those guys who come aside from those criminals who come aside and kidnap people and go to the bush, they know where they will see them. So there's a video I want to play for you now. I want you to watch this video from beginning to end, and we'll come back. I will tell you more details and tell you and advise you wherever you come. I love people from Southeast so much, and I'm going to tell you what thing they go on where you need to hear. Okay, we'll watch the video together.
Significant impact to curtail banditry and insurgency in the north-west and the north-central regions of the country. Accordingly, and additionally, the criminalities perpetrated in the southeast by the indigenous people of Biafra and the Eastern Security Network is being brought to the barest minimum through activities of Operation Udoka in collaboration with other relevant stakeholders. The upsurge in anti-illegal oil bunkering operations by troops of Operation Delta Safe in the South-South region has yielded desirable outcomes. This is indicative by the appreciable improvement in the country's daily crude oil production. During the operations in the last 1 week, the military neutralized 151 terrorists. Troops arrested 456 of them and arrested also 43 perpetrators of oil theft. Troops also rescued 76 kidnapped hostages and denied oil theft of the estimated sum of over 1 billion naira. Furthermore, troops recovered 216 assorted weapons and 443 assorted ammunition. The breakdown as follows: 62 AK-47 rifles, 7 pump action guns, 19 den guns, 3 Beretta pistols, among others. Furthermore, troops in the Niger Delta area discovered and destroyed 21 dugout pits, 56 boats, 138 storage tanks, among others. Troops also recovered over 1,200,000 liters of stolen crude oil, over 450,000 liters of illegally refined AGO diesel, over 22,000 liters of PMS petrol, and 3,000 liters of DPK kerosene. Is Operation Udoka in the southeast. Troops of Operation Udoka conducted offensive operations that led to the arrest of suspected criminals in Aba North and Owerri North of Abia and Imo State, respectively. Between the 4th and the 6th of September, in separate operations, following intelligence reports, troops arrested 6 suspected criminals in Abia North and Owerri North of Abia and Imo States, respectively. Preliminary investigation revealed that 2 of the suspects were impersonating as custom and immigration personnel. In the conduct of operations, troops of Operation Udoka neutralized 17 gunmen, arrested 11 suspected criminals, and rescued 2 kidnapped hostages. Troops also recovered 10 AK-47 rifles, 5 den guns, 7 pump-action guns, among others. All recovered items, arrested suspects, and rescued hostages have been handed over to the relevant authority for further action. In concluding this media briefing, I would like to highlight that it is interesting that the perpetrators of terrorism and insurgency in our country are just using it as a guise for their personal gain. And their personal gain comes from the illegal mining, the cattle rustling, and all other forms of unlawful activities. What we have seen is that many of those that are in the field fighting against troops are just the foot soldiers. Their main sponsors are in cities and towns, moving around as normal citizens. The proceeds gotten from the illegal activities are channeled through the main sponsors and even carted out of this country for their personal gains, like earlier mentioned. This situation underscores the importance of ongoing military operations, which is critical to the nation's efforts to achieving peace and security. The military is up to the challenge, and more than ever before, the outcome is not in doubt. Thank you very much for your attention.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, where this army is explaining her hatred or his hatred to the Igbos, to the hatred to the Southeast, because when you get to Operation Udoka, he changed the tone. He said that the criminality of IPOB, ESN has been doing this blah 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 is my people, may wanna open una eyes. Listen, if you are a youth in Southeast, especially in Southeast, you are a youth in Imo State, you are a youth in Anambra State, you are a youth in Ebonyi State, in Enugu, in Abia, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be what? Very, very careful. Because when these people catch you, anything they presented to your family that this is what they recovered to your hands is what they will say. Because the hatred is much. Be watchful where you go. Be watchful the time you be at home. Because these people, when they capture you, they will tag you unknown gunmen. What they have been doing for a long time. This Operation Udoka, there is nowhere Udoka is in this case. This Operation Udoka is Operation Kill the Igbo Youth. But the land is swallowing them. You have to be very, very careful. I think they come outside last time and say that they killed 100 and something and they arrested 300. Why is it 6 here? And here you never mention IPOB. Is it not Operation Udoka? So their propaganda they are using against our people is much. Those days where they have killed us in numbers have gone. Every youth in the Igbo land, especially in Southeast, in Igbo land, you have to be very, very careful. Don't fall in their trap. Don't allow them to use you, because they will ask you to give them information of somebody. After the information, they will still tag you that you are among, because if you don't know them, you will not have their information. So be very, very careful so that you will not fall into the trap of your enemy. For those of you who are still working for this wicked government, the perpetrator, what they have done to our people, keep on doing the work. When the nemesis come, you face it. Okay, my wonderful people, today is a different thing entirely that I come here to tell you people. I'm telling my people, I'm telling the people from Southeast, I love you guys so much. You people have to be very, very careful from these wicked souls that come to kill Biafrans. Be very, very careful. Okay, we will see you for the next video. May you share this video, share it to your brother. They need to hear and also see what is going on. Share this video. Please, our Facebook have some issue. We are not posting direct video from there, but we'll be posting our YouTube link so that you can click it and come to YouTube and watch.